Hey, what's up there everyone? In this video I want to show you how to factory reset your Samsung Notebook 9 Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Alright, so I want to show you how to do the the full reset of the computer, erase everything back to its factory condition, so that in case your computer has viruses, maybe it's running slow, or maybe has a password and you can't log into it, by doing the factory reset, you'll be able to start using the computer normally again. Alright, so I'm going to show you two methods to do it. First, I'm going to show you here through the settings, and then I'll show you with the computer turned off, what button you're gonna have to press to get it into that complete factory reset. Alright, so first off, let's go ahead and do it through the settings here. Click on the little bar over here at the bottom, the search bar, and type in reset. So you're gonna get this option up here that says reset this PC. Select that. Alright, and then here you're gonna get a couple options here. So you're gonna select the first one, which says reset this PC, get started. Hit that. And then here it's going to ask you two other options, keep my files or remove everything. We're going to select remove everything so that we can completely reset the computer back to its factory condition. And then here it's going to ask you for two other options, just remove my files or remove files and clean the drive. You're going to select the second option, remove files and clean the drive. Okay, and so it's going to ask you to confirm the reset. So remember, this will erase everything on the computer back to its factory condition. So if there's anything that you want to keep, make sure you back it up before you go through with this. And also make sure your computer is plugged into the electricity so that the battery doesn't die in the middle of the process. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit reset, and the reset process will begin. And I'm going to exit out of here now. I'm going to show you the second method of doing it. So let's go ahead and power the computer off. So shut it down. Either shut it down like this or press and hold the power off button to turn it off. And once the computer is completely off, go ahead and power it back on. Okay, so it takes us here to the initial screen. And once you're here, go ahead and just click. It's going to ask you to put in your password. Okay, so for example, I don't know the password. So what we're going to do is you're going to press and hold the shift key. Shift. So hold it, press and hold it. Go over here on the computer to the power off menu and select restart. And continue to just hold down the shift key. It asks us to restart anyway, so restart anyway. Continue to hold the shift key and it brings us to this menu here. And here we're going to select troubleshoot. Reset this PC, the first option, and once again the two options here. So the second one, remove everything, alright, and here it says reset this PC with two other options. So you're going to select the second one, fully clean the drive, and here it's going to ask us one more time to confirm by hitting reset. So once you do this, the reset process will begin. So I'm already ready. The computer's plugged in. I don't want to back up anything, so I'm going to hit reset. And there you go, resetting this PC 1%. We're going to wait till it gets to 100%, and then I'll continue to record.
And I'm here to help.
Alright everyone, so after it gets to 100% in the resetting, it's going to automatically change to a screen where it install Windows. And then you have to wait till that gets to 100%. And then after it gets to 100%, it automatically just goes to this screen right here, which this is the initial setup of Windows of the computer. So it has been factory reset completely back to its factory condition. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. Hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. And I'll see you around in the next video. Peace.